Hello guys, Swallow the host here, and today I think we need to talk about something that I think is crucial: mental health. If you don't know about me, I'm autistic, and as a result of that, it gives me a kind of unique perspective. I've always kind of felt like this kind of weird opposite, in what, and I've always kind of like, questioning myself. I felt like kind of weird and don't fit in with people. I try to think differently. I think things on a more, I guess, deeper level, and I make me more emotional. We all oftentimes, you're on social media, people talk about mental health, be like, depression or sadness or anxiety, and like check up on your friend, and then be like, okay, but we really don't ever like think critically about, are we really, checking up on people? Are we really trying to be caring of people? I think that a lot of people need to do is that people, I think for the most part, need to go off and be more kind of direct, but as well as more descriptive as, what kind of things do you need help with, or what are you dealing with? I mean, like how are you? Not just how you, but like, what is difficult in your life? What's going on in your lives? What you're dealing with, whether it's financially or mentally or in terms of relationships. Those are good for people like myself to really just share with other people. Getting vulnerable with people is one of those things that actually helps us, get, deeper and more like well-rounded bonds with people. Of course, romantic relationships, it helps all the relationships. And then, being present around them and listening to them and actually trying to understand them. It's really some of the things that can make a real good difference between, mental health. I mean, when I was younger, I used to have a friend who, I did not have that many friends, and it was only until like I was a junior in high school, and I met someone, and we were talking about mental health. He would not be understanding, he'd be caring about me, and I felt a bit understood, and as a result, it kind of had a better effect on me in terms of it's kind of like therapy. It's not like, it's not going to be obviously a case of therapist, but it's decent. And I think that, like, a lot of people just, people don't need to be fixed. They just need to be understood and just kind of like, improving. Yeah, they need to improve themselves from ideas, but miraculously. For someone like myself who has autism, who is emotionally kind of, I get kind of attached to people. I get kind of like, really fit in. It's really something that I think it's being able to have something that's genuine, that is non-judgmental. It's just something that like can mean the difference to a lot of people, and just the idea of that you don't have to mask yourself, that you can just be yourself, that you can be accepted, and you can be just So what I'm saying to all my people in the audience is just be the change that people want to see. Be the type of person that you want to be. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and comment.